station is Heathrow Terminal 4. Please remember to keep all your personal belongings with you at all times.
Welcome to MuchoHop. I just took the Piccadilly Line from Piccadilly Circus to Heathrow Terminals 1 and 2 and 3. We have a flight to Frankfurt today from Terminal 2, so let's go. Terminals 2 and 3 to the right. Just follow the signs. That's pretty clear. We have to take the elevator. What floor? Check-in information for Lufthansa at B. Section B is that way. Yes. Upright. Okay.
That's it. That's what we want. Yes.
Yes, somebody wants to have.
Do you want paper copies of your boarding passes?
Sure. Great.
I can write this for you to keep holding.
So this is the receipt.
That's the other baggage receipt.
I'll take that.
Your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. That was easy. They did it for us. So now we just have to drop off our bag. So departure's this way.
Have a nice flight. Sorry.
And security. Camera's off. They're asking how did they do today, and I said fab today, thanks. Kisses from MuchoHop. Oh nice. That looks good.
Thank you.
Look what I'm having. I'm splurging today. Okay, so we're having breakfast because we have plenty of time. Now we left the hotel really early because it's Monday morning. We thought we would encounter rush hour. The tube really wasn't that busy. We thought we wouldn't be able to get the suitcases inside the train because it would be too many people, but that wasn't the case. It took about an hour to go from Piccadilly Circus to Terminal 2 at Heathrow. And now we're just chilling. We don't know the gate yet because we're here so early. And we're just enjoying breakfast now. Actually, we already picked out. Finished it all. Oh yeah, and we're having breakfast at Wonder Tree. They're really good because they're fast. They serve everything within 15 minutes. So if you're in a hurry and you want to have a sit-down breakfast, try it out. So my flight isn't on the screen yet. It's still early. I'm gonna go down to the lower level because that's where all the departure gates are. Alright, so the gate isn't there yet. It's the 12:30 Frankfurt flight. It says gate shown at 11:58, so I have to wait around. It's 11:05 now. So there it is, the 12:30 flight to Frankfurt says go to gate A16. A16 to the left. And 17 is right, oh, actually 16 and 17 are right there. So there it is. Waiting to board. So the plane just arrived, so there's going to be a 15-minute delay. Now I don't have a problem because I'm going to stay at Frankfurt, but if you have a connecting flight and let's say you have a very short period of time from one plane to the next, you know, you might have problems there. It's only 15 minutes, but you know, sometimes when you only have like an hour to go from one place to another, you're gonna need all the time you can get. I'm gonna board, show you how I board, and then I'm going to show you how I pick up my bags, but I'm also going to show you where it says connecting flights. I know many people are concerned about that when you have a connecting flight, so I'm going to show you guys the sign so you know what sign to follow once we get into Frankfurt. So have your boarding pass and ID ready? No.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
My seat is 23A. And this is me.
Meine Damen und Herren, der jederzeit unerwartet Turbulenzen auftreten können, sind Sie aus Sicherheitsgründen verpflichtet. seatbelts fastened until your warning signs have been switched off. Flight Captain Grünbeck and the entire crew would like to say goodbye to you now. We thank you for having chosen Lufthansa and Star Alliance.
So today we exit from the back.
Ausgang benutzen. Ladies and gentlemen, here in Frankfurt you may use the front and the rear exit to disembark.
Okay, so if you have a connecting flight, you have to go to the left. If you want to go to baggage claim or to train stations, you go to the right. So we have the automated border control. Okay, to the left. So we have to see where our bags are going to. Check for the London Heathrow flight. And it's at Carousel or Belt 5. Let's look for number 5. Over that way. 4 to 9. Five. We're early. Don't get a black suitcase. Everybody always fixes them up. Here are our suitcases. Now just look for exit. Exit and you're done. Okay, hoppers, so I hope you enjoyed the video. You saw that people who had connecting flights, you have to be aware of the signs because the sign was right outside, right when we got off the bus. Sometimes it's in the terminal and you have to look for the sign, but they're always there. They are always there. You just have to notice them. So thanks for watching my video and I'll see you guys real soon in the next one. Bye.